cannabis plants naturally, you produce a version of the cannabinoid, THC, CBD, CBG, whatever. The majority of these cannabinoids, if not all, are carboxylated. Carboxylation is a fancy chemistry term that means there's an extra group on the chemical structure of the molecule that is a carboxyl group. Decarboxylation is removing that carboxyl group. The reason that's important or relevant at all is that you could take a piece of cannabis that you have in your house right now and eat it, and you would not feel high at all, because the natural THC produced in the plant cannot get to your brain in its current carboxylated form. This is why you have to decarb your weed before you make edibles. Because if you don't, you'll put a bunch of THCA, which is the shorthand for the carboxylated version of the molecule. You'll put that into your bloodstream. And as you guys may well know, we have something called the blood-brain barrier, which prevents things in your blood from moving into your brain unless they pass certain stringency tests. And the size and structure of carboxylated molecules makes it very difficult for them to pass that barrier. So the classic way that we decarboxylate things is through heat. If you've ever smoked weed, how do you smoke it? With heat. You put it on fire. If you make edibles, you put them in an oven. If you take dabs, you use a blowtorch or an electronic device. All of these intrinsically decarboxylate your cannabinoids by applying heat to them in the process of or right before consumption. And that is what allows a lot of the, not all, but a lot of the medical activity associated with THC specifically to occur. There are receptors in your body that are able to bind both the non-decarboxylated and decarboxylated versions. You have THC receptors in your peripheral nerves and you have them in your central nervous system. The kicker is that the ones in your brain are what's required to feel psychoactivity, and that's specifically the ones that cannot be interacted with non-decarboxylated molecules. Decarboxylating is important both in our extraction process as well as for the final process to make sure that your body's able to absorb the molecules into places that you want them.